Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 9586. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 17 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. Let me start with the O's. Oh, wait. 8 by 8, that means in a row or in the column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. All right, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones, here no, there no. 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 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between double ones, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So these 2 boxes will be on 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 2 minutes. Well, we solved it again, without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.